Hey, what's up people? I'm Ryan with Veteran Hardware. Today we're going to be taking a look at Fractal Design's Meshify 2 Compact. So this is a first look, and we were lucky enough to get first dibs on the first batch of review samples. So thank you to Fractal for sampling us out. Let's get to it. So let's start off by taking this out of the box. Alright, what we have here is the TG Gray sample. So I actually quite like it with the gunmetal finish. TG, there is that iconic removable TG glass. Pretty nice. Reminds me of the Define 7 a lot. Comes with 340mm Fractal X2 fans. Those are pretty decent fans actually, so pretty nice to see. Ooh, well that's interesting. That part comes off. And then you have a removable dust filter. Nice. And it looks like Fractal is following suit with their, with their Define series and allowing you to take out the top radiator mount. So that's really nice for water cooling enthusiasts alike. I really like seeing it because it makes installing AIOs and water cooling gear so much easier. All right, well, might as well just continue stripping this down. Instructions. Back side. Same push pin, just like the TG panel. Nice cable routing, spots for 2 SSDs or 2.5-inch hard drives. You have spots for 3.5-inch hard drives or SSDs here, and then a decent size PSU basement. The front panel swings open, which is really nice. You can see the 2 included GP14 X2 fans. So, oh, nice. Door swings open, and then you can actually, I'm not quite so sure how that works. I mean, I guess I'm a little confused on why when you're trying to take the front dust filter. All right, once we're inside, we are greeted with the full basement. The cutouts for removing for like fatter radiators. It does look like it supports up to a 280 in the top. Oh, I take that back. With up to a 240mm radiator at the top. It looks like it could possibly fit a 280, but depending on clearance issues with your motherboard VRM heatsinks, probably gonna be safe to say only a 240, but however you can fit a 280 or 360 in the very front by removing those front plates. Nice motherboard access panel cutout. Grommets, still not seeing that one grommet that I had reviewed in the Define 7 over on overclock.net, so I'm just wondering why that's omitted, but okay. And then the Fractal embossing over here. Moving to the rear, no vertical GPU mount. So usually you see something like that, but Fractal does have its own GPU, vertical GPU mount solution. So that might be the reasoning why they didn't include it on this. But nice seeing the ventilation here, continuing up through here. So it's one unified pattern. Going to the very bottom, again, another dust filter, which is removable. This time it's gray instead of black, so it matches the rest of the aesthetic. Goes in. Other than that, let's put her back together. All right, just running down some key features. It still has that iconic angular mesh pattern in the front with the, let's see if I can do it, the door there, with support up to ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards. Room for up to 360mm for radiators, with up to a 240 on the top and 280 or 360 in the front. Has the toolless TG, which is really nice. There are 7 different fan mounting locations. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Front USB. So this time we have headphone mic, USB type C, which is a Gen 2 port, 3.1 Gen 2 port, big power button, reset button, and then 2 USB type A ports. Those are USB 3. Other than that, I quite like this case. I'll probably be doing a build in it soon. It's a slick little case. I like the powder coated gray on it. It's something different than the normal black box. So let me know what you think in the comments below, what you think of this case and what you would have done differently. I'm Ryan with Veteran Hardware. I'll see you guys in the next one.